Property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Theorem. The bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. So let us understand what the theorem wants to state. Now you consider the angle C. This CD and BD are not mentioned. We have triangle ACB and we have the angle bisector of angle C. CE is the angle bisector of angle C. So we have ACE, angle ACE is equal to angle ECB, ECB. We have to prove AE upon EB. AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB. For that, we need something else. So, can we make use of basic proportionality theorem? Yes. If we draw a line from B parallel to CE, line BD parallel to EC, we get triangle ABD with EC being parallel to side BD. Again, let us see. If we draw BD parallel to EC, BD parallel to EC, then we get and produce AC. Let AC extend up to D where it meets the line from B in point D. So the parallel line and AC produced will meet at point D. So it will form a triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, now you will see that EC is parallel to BD. So in a triangle, if a line is parallel to a side, then we can make use of the property of basic proportionality theorem. So here we know that EC being parallel to BD, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. This we know. But what we don't know is whether CD is equal to CB. Is CD equal to CB? We shall try to find out if we can prove it. So what we will do now, you consider this. I will make the diagram bigger. Now in this diagram we have this point which is hiding behind is B. CE being the bisector of angle ACB, so let us name these two angles which are divided as angle 1 and angle 2. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Since CE is the angle bisector, therefore angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Now we had drawn BD parallel to EC and AC produced further intersects the parallel line in point D. So now a new triangle is formed, triangle ABD, triangle ABD. This triangle is formed now. In this triangle we have EC parallel to BD because by construction this is parallel to BD. Now we have angle 1 or ACE, angle ACE. It is equal to angle ADB, because CE and BD are parallel and AD is the transversal. This is one. And another is CE and BD are parallel and CB is the transversal. Therefore, angle 2 or angle ECB is equal to angle CBD. This is 2. What is angle ACE? That is angle 1. Angle 1. And what is angle ECB? It is angle 2. What is angle ADB? It is angle 3. And angle CBD, let us call it as angle 4. Now, ADB is angle 3. CBD is angle 4. So, angle 3 and angle 4, are they equal? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, CE being the angle bisector. Therefore, we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. If we substitute this 2, angle 2, we know that angle 2 is angle 1 equal, both are equal. So, instead of this, if we write angle 1, so angle 1 is equal to angle 4, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, these two angles, this angle and this angle are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. Therefore, triangle BCD, triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle because this angle is equal to this angle. Just now we have proved it. Because this is an isosceles triangle, therefore these sides CD, corresponding sides BC and CD are equal. According to basic proportionality theorem, AE upon EB was equal to AC upon CD. But just now we have proved that CD is equal to CB. Therefore, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. So we have proved it.